Hey gang, it's Matt the Old Floor Boy. So today I'm here to announce the winner of the Canteen Cup Tuesday Recipe Challenge. And the winner is... Okay, this is Matt the Old Florida Boy. Welcome back to another edition of Canteen Cup Tuesday. You know, I put the recipe challenge out about a week ago and I got some really interesting recipes. You know, when I thought up Canteen Cup Tuesday, it was supposed to be about easy trail stuff that you could cook up that didn't need a lot of refrigeration, you know, and that was really easy to prepare. I got some curry dishes and some other more complicated dishes, but I thought the one that followed the rules most closely was a recipe by one of my friends and fellow YouTubers, and his name is Joseph Russell, and he has a YouTube channel by the same name. Go check his YouTube channel out. And it was kind of Cajun spam butter grits, which really sounded pretty good to me. So I put a little tiny twist on it. Joseph Russell, I hope you don't mind, but I spin it just a little bit. So let's go down and cook this up. Okay, so today we're going to be using our handy dandy old beer can burner with the Canteen Cup stove, and we're going to have the marbles match case because we need to light this thing. We don't want to lose that. And y'all, if you don't have a marbles match case, you need one. Okay, now strike anywhere. Okay, all right, stove's lit. We're gonna give that a minute, and I'm gonna put the simmer ring on. Okay, and put that on there. Now comes the magic. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a canteen cup, and we are going to cook up some spam in it. We're going to fry up some spam to start with. Okay, so this is like two slices of spam. You know, not very much. And what we're going to do is I am going to put some maple syrup in here. It's about an ounce of maple syrup. Oh man, that tastes good already. And just to cut it, just a little tiny bit of water. Okay? So now, yep, stove's still burning, simmering. Ooh. This looks good, smells good, this is going to be good. We'll be right back. Okay, so here's the idea. We're going to kind of simmer up the spam in the maple syrup. Oh man, can you see that? Jeez. It's getting kind of good. And it's getting kind of hot. Okay. So we're kind of caramelizing the spam up in the maple syrup. And then we're going to take that off and kind of take the spam out of it. And I'm going to leave the maple syrup in water and boil up some more water. And we're going to kind of cook the grits in the maple syrup stuff. So let's do that right now. Okay, we got our little plastic thing. All right, so and on the simmering, the top is not very hot. Woo. Oh man, that smells awesome. Maple syrup braised. I'm going to call it braised because expensive restaurants braise they stuff. Braised spam. Ooh man, this smells great, you guys. Who knew? Maple spam. Do they make maple spam? I don't know, I've never seen it. Now, you get all the spam out. Pretty much all the spam out. Now, we get some water. All right, here's what we're going to do. We don't have a measuring cup, but you can measure it by the package. So we're going to fill it up to the water line. And that'll be about a half and about a little bit under a half. Okay, that's going to do it. Now, put that back on and see if our simmer ring can bring that water back to a boil, and then we'll be back. All right, while our water is boiling up, to put our grits in and add our nice caramelized spam, I want to just say how much I appreciate everybody who submitted a recipe to the recipe challenge. We did the best we could with it, but I think next week we'll be doing another po' boy challenge, another episode in the po' boy series. So this is heating up pretty nicely. All right, so what I did was I removed the simmer ring so the water would boil up faster. So we should be ready pretty darn soon. All right, our water is just starting to boil up. Ooh, the butter and the spam and maple syrup boil. Oh, look at that. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this off. Ow, boy, that's hot. Don't grab that without your gloves on. All right, and I'm going to put all my grits in. Stir it up real quick. We're going to put the cover on. And we're going to let that sit for about, I don't know, 5 minutes or so. We're going to let the stove burn out, and then we're going to add the spam. All right, let's see how we're doing. Woo, we're kind of thickening up. I think the oil's keeping it from thickening up entirely, but I don't really care. What we're going to do is we're going to add our spam back in. Oh, with all of the juice and stuff that we can get. And I'm going to mix this up. Ooh, wow. Put the cover back on. Let it thicken up for a few more minutes. And then we'll put the final touch on. Okay, here we go. Let's see what this concoction turned out to be. All right, not bad. It's just really thickening up now. Chunks of spam and butter grits. Except, you know, oh man, the butter and maple syrup, it's the only way to fly. Except, you know, nothing would ever be complete without Cristal hot sauce. As you hear a plane going by, and y'all know me, just a drop. Not turn it red. All right. Ooh, this is the Cajun seasoning that Bros of Russell was talking about. I think. I don't know. Ooh, man. You smell the grits and the butter grits and the spam and the maple syrup and now the Cristal hot sauce. Oh, look at this. Wow, that is a taste explosion. I'm not kidding. Woof. Little more. I'm always adding some. I don't, you know, why can't I never get it right? All right. You always need more hot sauce. All right. Oof. Man, you can smell every single thing. You can smell the spam, the maple syrup, the grits, the hot sauce. That's only like 4 ingredients. So here we go. Oh, that is so good. Now, y'all, I'm not lying to you. I'm not out in the woods at my campsite today. I'm in the woods behind my house. Didn't work out to where I could go all the way out there. So you might hear some traffic or sirens or planes or other stuff. But the operative word is Canteen Cup Tuesday. So the winner of my challenge, Rosa Frussel, sent this Cajun kind of inspired dish. And since I'm half Cajun, I kind of run with it a little bit and added a couple things. We are going to call this Cajun Spam and Grits. And it is really, really good. As the jet takes off behind me. So if you guys like this video and you want to see more content like it, please drop down, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and like this video. And please leave me a comment on what you think of my Cajun Spam and Grits with the magical ingredient of maple syrup. And tell me what your favorite Canteen Cup Tuesday dish is. So, coming to you from the wilds of my backyard again, this is Matt the Old Florida Boy, and I will see you on the trail.